The Short North Arts District holds a critically acclaimed gallery hop on the first Saturday of every month. Over 40 galleries in non-traditional art venues, such as restaurants and boutiques, exhibit the best local, national, and international art. Musicians, dancers, and other performers fill the streets, providing more entertainment for their visitors. The vibrant atmosphere is one of the most alluring aspects of the event.
It feels like completely different than like OSU. Like, it's a vibrant culture, and I don't know, it's really different than Ohio State. So I like it quite a lot.
Retailers and galleries, it's a lot of fun. People enjoy the gallery hop with the restaurants, the bars, the clubs, all the things. And I always come in this store all the time. So since I was out campaigning, I thought I'd come through here and see what was new.
My friend and I, Terry, we're called Nostalgia's Cottage. We're just kind of a little hobby sort of a business, and we take old jewelry and buttons and keys and things people throw away, and we make new jewelry.
We are Old World New Home, and we do a lot of vintage and antique furniture that we paint and fix back up so it can be used again. We do have new home decor also in here, but we're known for our vintage and our antique furniture.
No matter the time of the year, thousands of individuals attend this cultural event. With the Lantern, I'm Carter Pessoa.